Hello, this is Charles here. Last time on Candy Crush, you saw me being a complete idiot on level 57. Let's see if that happens again. Wait, let me use that Candy Bomb booster. I got it's a present, Everybody likes presents. No, pretty sure everybody likes presents. Yeah, last time you saw me being an idiot on this level. I'm completely sure that won't happen again. Game was telling me to make a striped candy. I defied orders and made a wrapped candy. Why am I the basis for pure evil? The thing that really can piss you off on this level is the chocolate. Nobody knows how to deal with chocolate, not gonna lie. Not a single person on Earth knows how to deal with chocolate. I think you're gonna have to watch me being an idiot again. Well, I got like 20 moves left. There's basically no hope for me.
Tasty. Delicious. Sweet. Sweet.
That's how you do it.
Delicious.
Delicious. Funny thing about this level is you don't actually have to eat all the chocolate to complete the level.
Goodbye.
The kind of stuff only occurs in soda.
Tasty.
Phew. That was close. Dang it, I almost got sugar stars. Huh. Definitely have a screen. Ooh, now we're getting into a hard level. Worst thing is oh no, getting super laggy. FPS is being reduced to everything. I know all you are awkwarding me saying, oh no, I don't want my favorite content creator on YouTube to have their FPS reduced to 5 frames per second. Body's favorite content creator. Sometimes people gotta deal with real life, man. I'm not the only person that counts in this world.
Tasty.
Plus, if you're a spoiled brat for me, uncool. I mean, man, you can cherish me, but man, I don't want no simping going on around here. Also, this is kind of the idiot play I was talking about. It'll be a miracle if I finish this level. Ever. I feel like an idiot right now. That's the thing about chocolate. It's like it's a blocker made to piss you off. See, the best way to not get chocolate to eat any of your candies is one, surround it with empty space, or two, eat it. Like, why can you not eat why would you not eat chocolate in Candy Crush? To be honest, it's kind of shameful they didn't include chocolate as an actual candy in the game.
Tasty.
To be honest, I still haven't made up my mind on whether these are hard candies or gummies. Anyways. Oh, chocolate, that chocolate in one of my lives gonna have to say bye-bye. Man, do I suck at this game. I've let the beast loose. No. Cannot let SCP chocolate eat a candy. You can't let SCP chocolate eat one candy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm kind of surrounded on all sides by purple and blue candies, so I just decided to choose purple, so I thought it would kind of be a better fit. Also, that was quite a cascade, if I do say so myself. I have again released the beast, and I'm basically going to instantly contain it. Oh, huh. Yeet. delete. Oh my god. I should be ashamed of myself for being this bad. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of already am. I'm sorry, my fans. I know I'll finish this level eventually. Oh my gosh, I need to check the time. Gonna have to quit filming soon to go back to online school. Yeah. Ooh! Ooh!
Goodbye.
I said I would complete it eventually. Pretty sure I actually got top score. Let's see. Oh my god! I got over 50,000 more points than anybody who has attempted this level. And you saw me do it on YouTube. Sorry about that. Pretty sure nobody sneezes through in a playthrough. Besides, you probably never even saw that. This is kind of scary for me. I don't know why I sneezed, but I'm pretty sure y'all are gonna hate me for this. Oof. Oof. It's actually just a points level. You just make a giant cascade and pretty much everything is good. I'm kind of ashamed of myself. Ooh, so I'm gonna finish this episode. Seriously, I just need to think back for a second. Who sneezes during a playthrough of Candy Crush? I just don't know. Nonetheless, I am ashamed of myself. Zing.
Delicious. Delicious. Sweet. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
But now what I gotta do is get the ingredients down. Yeah, Houston, we have a problem. Oof. Oof. Hmm.
Sweet. Delicious.
Let's just see if this works. Stupid me. Anyway, don't it now. Then we should probably leave now. Hope you had a good time watching me ignorantly fail those 3 levels and sneeze once. So I hope you enjoy. Yeah, so leave a like if you liked it, leave a dislike if you didn't. I don't care if you leave a dislike. It's on the algorithm, whether you watch it or not, because YouTube's algorithm is actually watch time. So if you click on this video, congrats, you've already supported me.